Could the buzzing sound overhead someday replace the sirens we're so accustomed to? Welcome to a future where drone technology intertwines with law enforcement. As we speak, drone technology is soaring to new heights, evolving faster than ever. These aren't just your average hobby drones. They're sophisticated machines equipped with advanced features like facial recognition, thermal imaging, and even AI capabilities. Imagine a future where drones serve as the eyes in the sky for our law enforcement, able to reach places too dangerous or inaccessible for human officers. They could provide real-time surveillance, gather evidence, and even assist in rescue missions. The potential for drones to revolutionize law enforcement is immense. But like all technologies, there are challenges and ethical considerations to ponder. As we navigate this brave new world of policing, it's essential to balance the potential benefits with the concerns of privacy and civil liberties. As the sky opens up to these mechanical birds, it's worth considering the impact they might have on our justice system. Already we are seeing glimpses of this future in action. Let's take a moment to explore real-world instances where drone technology has already been utilized in law enforcement. One of the most common uses for drones in law enforcement is in search and rescue operations. For instance, in the vast and rugged terrains of Colorado, drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras have been instrumental in locating missing hikers, proving to be a game changer. Their ability to cover large areas quickly and efficiently, even in challenging weather conditions, has saved countless lives that otherwise might have been lost to the harsh elements. In the realm of surveillance, drones have been used to great effect. A case in point is the Los Angeles Police Department, which has employed drones to monitor high-risk situations, such as standoffs with armed suspects. The drones provide a bird's-eye view of the scene, giving officers critical information while minimizing risk to human lives. Crowd control is another area where drones are making their mark. In cities like Barcelona, Spain, law enforcement agencies have deployed drones to monitor large gatherings and protests, ensuring public safety while maintaining a respectful distance. But it's not all smooth sailing. The use of drones in law enforcement has not been without its challenges. Privacy concerns are at the forefront, with critics arguing that the use of drones for surveillance can infringe on individuals' rights. Additionally, there's the issue of safety. While drone technology has improved significantly, accidents can and do happen, raising questions about who should be held accountable. Despite these challenges, the benefits of drones in law enforcement are undeniable. They offer enhanced safety for officers, increased efficiency in operations, and the ability to access areas that would otherwise be out of reach. These instances provide a window into what could become a common scene in law enforcement. As technology continues to evolve, it's clear that drones will play an increasingly significant role in policing, shaping the future of law enforcement in ways we can only begin to imagine. But as with any technological advancement, the use of drones in law enforcement comes with its own set of pros and cons. Let's start with the positives. Drones bring about a new level of efficiency and cost-effectiveness in law enforcement. They can cover vast areas in a short span of time, making them perfect for search and rescue operations. Furthermore, drones can go where officers can't, reducing the risk to human life in dangerous situations. Now let's flip the coin. The use of drones also brings about concerns. Top of the list is privacy. With drones able to fly over private properties and record video, privacy invasion becomes a real concern. There's also the potential for abuse. In the wrong hands, these devices could be used for illegal surveillance or even weaponized. And let's not forget about the regulatory challenges. The laws around drone usage are still in their infancy and need to catch up with the technology. As we navigate this brave new world of drone technology in law enforcement, it's clear that the conversation is far from over. The future of law enforcement could be up in the air, quite literally. Drone technology's potential is vast, already making headway in policing with undeniable pros and cons. As we look to the sky, we must ask ourselves, are we ready for a future where drones are an integral part of law enforcement? So